Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I am back with another video. You thought I was gonna say clothing haul, but what it is, what's up? It's your girl Skeezorella. I am here to show you my Beauty Muse box. And this is the Diva Bling box for the summer. And I have received a PR package from them before, and they sent me another box. The first one wasn't a velvet box, but it was so cute. It had their glow up palette and their marble brush set and some other goodies. I did do an unboxing on Instagram, but not on YouTube. So when I got this beautiful baby, I wanted to make sure that I'll show the world what comes in this box. So if you're interested in seeing what's in here, please stay tuned for the rest of this video. Purposely did not go inside of the box. Well, I mean, I took a peek, but I purposely didn't go through the whole box because I wanted to ensure that I get my initial genuine reaction on videos. So let's open her up. Look how cute this packaging is. Like, things they did, that, like, it's this pink velvet box with gold writing. Let's see if it focus. And it says Beauty Muse box. The initials for Beauty Muse box with the hearts. This is so cute. Okay. So this is what's inside. So that's what it looks like initially when you take the top off. So let's go through it. So the first thing that I'm taking out of the box is this cute little wallet. And let me take the plastic off. This cute little black wallet. And it has like the little heart. Yeah, it's a pretty decent wallet. Put your ID, your credit cards, you know, some money's in here. I'm definitely gonna switch my stuff over to this. This is super cute. And then we have a pair of glasses. They look like cat eye sunglasses. Ooh, this matched the wallet too. Okay. I see what they did there. Tell me these aren't cute. This is cute. And something in this box smells so good. Like, I don't know what it is, but we're just gonna take one thing out at a time. And then there's this little silver satchel thingy in here. Let's see what's in here. Oh, it's a necklace. Hold on, let me open it up. Super cute. Is it a necklace or a bracelet? I think it's a bracelet. Oh yeah, it's a bracelet. I was like, it's a necklace. It's super cute. Hold on. Trying to make sure. This is so cute. It has a little palm on it. The little meditation palm thingy. It's super cute. And then we have, they sent me 3 of their Glitz and Glam Diamond Lip Glosses. And I have one already. It was like the, I think it's called Kiss Me. It was like a burgundy type shade with glitter in it. This is what the packaging looks like. So the first one is, this one is called I'm a Star. And it smells so good. And this is like a reddish brown color. Can't wait to try these out. That is I'm a Star. And next we have Peachy Keen. Oh, this one's pretty. I like that color. And I love the glitter in it. These all smell so good. So that's Peachy Keen. And last but not least, this one is Hot Girl. Oh, this one's pretty. All of their shades are so pretty. Oh my god. Look at that. Look at that color. So this is Hot Girl, Peachy Keen, and I'm a Star. But look at that, yo. I gotta do a look with that. Like that color, bomb.com, baby. Okay. And I also forgot to mention that even though it says diamond, like diamond gloss, diamond lip gloss, it is like more of a matte. And it stays on pretty good. It's just like a matte with a hint of shimmer. But it's still bomb. Like, I wouldn't care if it was glossy. I wouldn't care if it was matte. I wouldn't care if it was sheer. Like, this is beautiful. Like, this is bomb. Like, see that? And they sent a little card. It says good vibes. And then it says, to Skeezorella from Beauty Muse box, we hope you enjoy your Bling Diva box. Thank you so much. I am enjoying it so much. Next we have these cute ass hair clips. They're blinged out hair clips. Like, look at these. Tell me, you cannot tell me that these are not cute. These are cute. Look at that. Like, if I had a different hairstyle right now, like, I would definitely, like, be rocking this right now. Like, if I had a wig, my cute little shortcut wig, put this on both sides, like, come on now. Come on. Like, look how fucking cute these hair clips are. Like, then we have some more hair clips. Bling bling hair clips. Like, yes. This light, I'm sorry y'all for this lighting, because, like, it is not catching anything. Oh, they done fucked up. Ooh. They done fucked up. A Gucci hair clip, y'all. Like the one that Jeffree Star was wearing. Insert right here. Oh my god. Like, I am ready. I am so ready. Like, I am ready to rock this hair clip. Like, what's Gucci? What's good? What's good? What's poppin'? Like, Gucci 2 times. We have these two necklaces. One says good karma, and then the other one says free spirit. And then it says, make a wish and put on your necklace. The positive energy and love you give to the world is what the world will give back to you. Wear your necklace as a reminder to keep the circle peaceful and loving. And then free spirit says, make a wish and put on your necklace. Dragonfly darts like the light twisting and turning, changing directions, even flying backwards when it needs to. Let your necklace be a reminder to get creative and live life without limits. I love these. Like, I cannot wait to put these on. Like, make a wish. Yeah. And then we have this cute. Look at this cute. It's a cute sea star hair clip. And it's pink. Super cute. This is your business card. Beauty Muse box. Gang gang. Beauty Muse gang. Says all things glamorous, and I will be inserting their information down below in the description box. So yeah. So you can get your own velvet box and be a hot girl this summer. You feel me? We have this bomb ass. This is what I was smelling. This was what I was smelling when I first opened the box. Like, something smells so good. Like, don't get me wrong. Their lipsticks or their diamond lip gloss smells bomb. But this bath bomb smells so good. It's a bath bomb made in California. And it is Midnight Sapphire Bath Bomb. Like, this smells... It smells so good. I don't even take baths. I take showers, but I might have to save this for a special occasion. And there's a piece of jewelry in here. So I cannot wait to find out what jewelry is in here. But I'm saving this for a special occasion, girl. Like, And then we have this matcha green tea face mask from the Cream Shop. I love face masks. Like, whenever I take all this makeup off, I'm gonna put this on. Cause baby, my skin needs some TLC, and baby, you just gave it to me. Like, thank you so much, Beauty Muse box, for sending me this beautiful diamond bling or diva bling box. Like, oh my god, I cannot wait to create some looks with all of these things. And if I'm looking down, it's because I'm putting everything back in the box. But yes, I cannot wait to create some bombness with this box. Like, what are you waiting for? Order your box. This is a box that you order at your own leisure. You do not have to subscribe to order a box. You order the box when you want to. And this box retails for $45. And I believe there is a $20% off code. And it says, Diva Baby. The Beauty Muse team has been hard at work curating the perfect summer and vacation ready box. This box includes some of the trendiest and exclusive vacation ready pieces that'll give you an effortless look. So enjoy your summer and don't forget to pack your Beauty Muse box. Show off your box on Instagram, #MuseBox, and we will hit you up with our 20% off promo code to use on your next order. Squad Beauty Muse team. Follow us on IG at Beauty Muse Box for box sneak peeks and so much more. Get your box. Like, why I gotta be over here telling you to get your box? Like, is you stupid? Are you dumb? Like, run over to Beauty Muse Box and get your box, baby, because this one for me, baby. This box is for me. I'm not sharing my box with you. Thank you so much for watching this video. And as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video.